This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pivot up the radiator grille badge, insert the key, and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the catch. Now rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Support the bonnet with the prop. Release the clip at the side and remove the cover from the battery. Slacken the nut, then using a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. Position it to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Release the clips and disconnect the air intake duct from the mass airflow sensor on the air cleaner housing and the throttle body. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug from the throttle position sensor. Disconnect the wiring plug from the crankshaft position sensor. Slacken the starter motor upper mounting bolts. The upper bolt cannot be removed completely at this stage. Note the earth lead on the mounting bolt. Firmly apply the handbrake and, where applicable, engage park. Place the jack head under the reinforced section of the sill. Then raise the front of the vehicle to provide extra clearance. Support the vehicle with an axle stand positioned under the reinforced section of the chassis. Unscrew the nuts and disconnect the wiring from the starter motor solenoid terminals. Noting the location of the bracket, slacken and remove the starter motor lower mounting bolt. Then lower the starter motor downwards from place. Manoeuvre the starter motor into place. Then refit the lower mounting bolt and tighten it to the specified torque. Refit the wiring to the starter motor solenoid terminals and securely tighten the retaining nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Ensuring the earth lead is in place, refit the starter motor upper retaining bolts and tighten them to the specified torque. Reconnect the crankshaft position sensor wiring plug, followed by the throttle position sensor wiring plug. Refit the air intake duct to the throttle body and mass airflow sensor. Then secure it with the clips. Locate the negative lead clamp over the terminal, then push it down and tighten the clamp nut. Ensure the lead is securely reconnected. Refit the battery cover, ensuring the retaining clip engages correctly. Unhook the prop and lower the bonnet firmly. Remove the key and pivot over the badge.